The Subaru Crosstrek just did what most subcompact SUVs refuse to do. It finally solved the biggest complaints about power and efficiency, as well as about the lack of driving engagement. If you're tired of feeling like your crossover is struggling in too many areas, this small SUV might be the one you've been waiting for. While most rivals force you to choose between rugged capability and fuel economy, the 2027 Subaru Crosstrek proves you can finally have both without sacrificing a single bit of its legendary off-road DNA. The Wilderness Edge. One of the most frustrating things about the subcompact crossover market is that most off-road trims are nothing more than a costume. They offer plastic cladding and a sticker package, but the mechanical bones remain fragile and city-bound. That's why the Crosstrek Wilderness is a complete disruptor. It's one of the only vehicles in its class that offers a dedicated, mechanically superior off-road version that can actually back up its aggressive looks. This isn't just about looking tough in a parking lot. The Wilderness comes factory-equipped with a lifted suspension, providing a massive 9.3 inches of ground clearance, which is higher than many full-size trucks. But the secret sauce is in the engineering you can't see. Subaru has revised the CVT gear ratios for better low-end torque and added a heavy-duty pressure sensor to the transmission to handle the heat of a steep climb. Why does this matter? Because it transforms the vehicle from a grocery getter into a legitimate tool for exploration. For example, while a standard crossover might scrape its expensive front bumper or spin its wheels helplessly on a rocky trailhead, the Wilderness uses its increased approach and departure angles to glide over obstacles. It even features a reinforced roof rack capable of supporting a rooftop tent, allowing you to turn your vehicle into a base camp. If you're a weekend warrior who actually plans to leave the pavement behind, the Wilderness trim turns this small SUV into a legitimate mountain goat that refuses to quit. On the other hand, fuel economy is on the top of your priority list, but you don't want to sacrifice all-wheel drive capability, then the next chapter is the one for you. When efficiency meets power. For years, the biggest villain for Crosstrek owners was the lack of passing power and mediocre city fuel economy. But Subaru has unleashed a hybrid system that finally strikes back at the competition. This system is different. It puts out a respectable 194 horsepower, making it the most powerful factory Crosstrek ever built. Therefore, you're getting a vehicle that finally feels alive. It's noticeably more spry off the line and piles on speed eagerly when you're trying to merge onto a fast-moving highway with a full load of gear. But here's the real kicker that separates Subaru from the pack. Unlike Toyota or Honda hybrids that often switch to a weak electric-only rear motor, or worse, front-wheel drive, when the battery takes over, Subaru's system keeps a true mechanical all-wheel drive connection. This is a game-changer because you get that hit of instant electric torque and 36 combined miles per gallon without losing the rugged, symmetrical traction Subaru is famous for. You get the efficiency of a Prius with the go-anywhere soul of a Forester. If you've been waiting for a hybrid that doesn't feel like a compromise or a fragile science project, this powertrain is the ultimate checkmate move against the rest of the industry. And this leads us to Subaru's biggest strength, its legendary all-wheel drive system. Off-road capabilities. Most crossovers are essentially tall hatchbacks that get nervous the moment the weather turns bad or the road turns to dirt. They are fair-weather vehicles. The Crosstrek, however, is built on the belief that traction shouldn't be an extra feature or a luxury reserved for the highest trims. Unlike rivals that require you to check expensive option boxes or upgrade to a Pro package just to get all-wheel drive, every single Crosstrek comes standard with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive. This matters because it creates a set-it-and-forget-it level of confidence. Subaru's system is constantly sending power to all four wheels, rather than waiting for one to slip before reacting. This ensures excellent grip on everything from icy suburban streets to muddy forest roads that would leave a front-wheel drive competitor spinning its tires in frustration. But it's not just about the all-wheel drive system. The Crosstrek features incredible ground clearance across the board, not just on the top trims. For instance, even the base model features a generous 8.7 inches of clearance in dual-function X mode with hill descent control. This means when you're creeping down a steep, slippery driveway or navigating a rutted two-track, the car manages the braking and throttle for you, keeping you in total control. And if you're a conservative type of customer, you'll be happy to know that Subaru hasn't given up on gas-only powertrains, despite the excellent new hybrid. Proven gas-only workhorse. While the hybrid is the new star of the show, Subaru knows that many of its most loyal fans value simplicity and long-term predictability over the latest high-tech gadgets. This is why the villain in this chapter is the complexity of modern cars. To solve this, Subaru still offers the 2.5-liter Boxer engine as a dedicated gas-only option for those who want a no-nonsense vehicle. This 2.5-liter powerhouse delivers 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, which provides solid, punchy performance that is perfectly suited for the Crosstrek's weight. Why does this matter to you? Because this specific Boxer engine has a legendary, proven track record for reliability. It's an engine that mechanics know inside and out, and it's built to handle the heat and stress of real-world driving without the added complexity of a high-voltage battery system. Still, even those buyers want those fancy gadgets and latest safety tech inside the cabin, which is exactly what we are about to check out in the next chapter. Tech and safety features. The stress of modern traffic is a major pain point for every driver. Between distracted commuters and unpredictable road conditions, driving can feel like a chore. To solve this, Subaru has turned the 2027 Crosstrek into a high-tech fortress designed to keep you relaxed and protected. Every model, from the base trim to the Wilderness, now comes standard with the latest generation of the EyeSight Driver Assistance Suite. Inside the cabin, the tech glow-up is just as impressive. The available 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen acts as the command center for your digital life, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For example, imagine you're in heavy stop-and-go traffic after a long day at work. The EyeSight system can manage your speed and braking automatically, keeping a safe distance from the car ahead, while your navigation and music are handled wirelessly without you ever having to fumble with a cable. If you're distracted for even a split second by a child in the back seat, the pre-collision braking can step in to prevent an accident. If safety and seamless connectivity are your top priorities, the Crosstrek offers a premium, luxury-level tech experience without the luxury car monthly payment. The budget champion. With new car prices skyrocketing toward the $50,000 mark for even basic SUVs, the villain for most buyers is the fear of a massive monthly payment. It feels like every year, cars get more expensive while offering less. Subaru has completely flipped the script for 2027. Despite the addition of the powerful hybrid system and the upgraded tech, price increases have been kept remarkably minimal, ensuring the Crosstrek remains the undisputed value king of the segment. The Crosstrek undercuts almost every rival when you account for standard features. While a competitor might lure you in with a lower base price, that price usually disappears the moment you add all-wheel drive and safety tech, features that come standard on every Subaru. Therefore, you aren't just buying a vehicle, you're making a high-yield investment. Subarus are famous for their atomic shareability when it comes to resale value. They hold their worth better than almost anything else on the road because people know they are built to last. For instance, a mid-trim premium model gives you the massive screen, heated seats, and wireless tech for a price that most competitors charge for their stripped-down base models that don't even have all-wheel drive. If you want a vehicle that treats your bank account with as much respect as it treats the trails, the Crosstrek is the clear winner. It's not just a car, it's a smart financial boundary against the rising costs of everything else. The 2027 Subaru Crosstrek has officially moved from being a quirky alternative for hikers to a segment leader that leaves rivals scrambling for an answer. By combining a potent new hybrid powertrain with its legendary mechanical all-wheel drive and a price point that actually makes sense in today's economy, Subaru hasn't just updated a car. They've checked every single box on the modern owner's wish list. They took the complaints about power, addressed the concerns about fuel costs, and doubled down on the rugged reliability that built their brand. But don't think that there are no alternatives around. The segment is full of solid options. And if you're looking for something that's not necessarily as rugged, but more oriented towards style and elegance, then you definitely want to check out our video about the 2027 Mazda CX-30. With class-leading handling, powerful engines, and elegance and luxury that no subcompact mainstream crossover can match, it clearly stands out as one of the most desirable options in this market segment.